In this video, I will walk you through the purchasing process and key features of the Core Strength Joint Supplement as seen on its official Amazon product page. As we look at the screen, you can see this product belongs to the blended vitamin and mineral supplements category, specifically designed for health and household needs. The one-time purchase price is currently set at $21.95, which breaks down to about 37 cents per count. As I navigate the sidebar, you will notice that the item is sold by Blue Horizon Brands LLC and ships directly from Amazon, ensuring a reliable delivery process. If you are looking for a better deal, the subscribe and save option is quite prominent here. By choosing auto delivery, you can drop the price to $17.56, saving 20% immediately. You can even unlock 25% savings if you bundle 5 or more products. The interface allows you to select a delivery frequency ranging from every 2 weeks to every 6 months, with 1 month being the most common choice. I am highlighting the shipping details now, which show that Prime members can get free and fast delivery, sometimes as quickly as a few days depending on the order time. It is important to note the return policy shown on screen. Because this is an ingestible health product, it is non-returnable for food safety reasons. However, the seller does offer a refund or replacement if the supplement arrives damaged or defective. This transparency helps when you are adding multivitamins to your daily routine. Thanks for watching this review of the Core Strength Joint Supplement. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more supplement deep dives.